Students, good morning. Welcome back to our English class. So my dear students, in the previous class we have completed the unit 3, isn't it? Yes, unit 3 lesson we have completed and some writing parts and etc we have completed. So now today we are going to start unit 4, Pongal. What's there in the unit 4? Pongal. Today we are going to discuss the lesson about Pongal. What is mean by Pongal here? You all know that Pongal is nothing but Sankranti. How you are going to celebrate Sankranti and on which days we are going to celebrate Pongal festival, and on the festival what are the delicious food we are going to cook. They are giving some information about the Pongal in our lesson. So here, before going to the class, here is some exercise. Take your textbook and open page number 36. Look at me once. Page number 36. So now, some festivals mark the harvest of crops and seasonal variations. So here, festivals are celebrated seasonal wise, isn't it? Yes, in some January month we celebrate some festival, and some of the, in this ways for each month we are having festivals. So here this is depend on the seasonal wise, or else it is depend on harvesting of crops. Isn't it? Yes, harvest of crops. Then many such festivals are celebrated in India. So in that way, so many types of festivals we are going to celebrate in India. Then one of them is Pongal. So in all the festivals, Pongal is also a festival which is celebrated as a seasonal and also a harvesting of crop festival. Then now, look at the pictures and identify the 4 harvest festivals. Also, write which state they belong to. So, here they have given us 4 types of festivals. They have given to us. These 4 festivals are which type? Harvesting of crop harvest festivals. So, these are 4 harvest festivals. Now, we have to identify the name of the festival and also along with in which state they are going to celebrate these festivals. We had to write in our book here. 2 lines they have given. In first line we had to write the name of the festival, and in the second line we had to write the name of the state. So here the first picture, the second picture, the third and the fourth. Now in the first picture they are burning something there. So it is what is the name of the festival? What you are thinking? Tell me. Yes, it is nothing but, look at the board once, Lohari. The first picture is, what's the festival? Festival name is Lohari. Right, what's the spelling Lohari? Lohri. Lohri. Lohari is name of the festival. And in which state they are going to celebrate this festival? In Punjab. Where? In Punjab. In the state Punjab, Lohari is celebrating. So in the first line write the name of the festival, and in the second line write the state name here, Punjab. Now the second picture, they are dancing. In this they are dancing. So what's the name of the festival? Bihu. Bihu is name of the festival. And in which state they are celebrating? Assam. In which state? Assam. What's the name of the festival? Bihu. Spelling B-I-H-U. What's the spelling? B-I-H-U. In which state they are celebrating? In Assam. In which state? Assam. Now the third picture, they have in the third picture, there are some people, 3 women are sitting and they are drawing some rangolis there. What was the name of the festival? Onam. Was the third picture festival name? Onam. Where they are celebrating? In state of Kerala. In which state? Kerala. What's the name of the festival? Onam. Spelling O-N-A-M. What's the spelling? O-N-A-M. Onam. In which state? Kerala. So in the first line you had to write the name of the festival, and in the second line you had to write the state. Now the fourth, last picture. Some men are dancing there. Some men are dancing there. So what's the festival? Baisakhi. What's the festival name? Baisakhi. In which state they are celebrating the festival? In Punjab. In which state? In Punjab. What's the festival? Baisakhi. Spelling B-A-I-S-A-K-H-I. What's the spelling? B-A-I-S-A-K-H-I. Baisakhi. In which state? Punjab. So now we have completed this bit in the page number 36. We shall move to the lesson here in page number 37. How do you feel on a festival day? How do you feel on a festival day? Normally we wear very new clothes and we also keep some flowers in our hair and we eat very delicious food, isn't it? We are very happy and we also meet with our friends, with our relatives, and we also play with all our friends, isn't it? Yes. Now, certainly happy. Festivals are times of merry making. So, when festivals are coming to make us happy, when festivals are coming, we feel very, very happy here, isn't it? Yes. Now, read about the great festival of Tamil Nadu, Pongal. So, Pongal is celebrated in which state? In Tamil Nadu. So, Tamil Nadu is famous for Pongal festival. It is a very great festival in Tamil Nadu. Now keep the finger where I am reading. India is a land where the primary occupation is agriculture. So India is a land. In our India only we are what? We are producing a agriculture here. We are what we are doing? We are growing crops here. Where? In our country India. Then changes in season play a very important role in the life of Indian farmers. So in every season do all kinds of crops are harvesting here? No. Like how the season changes here, in the same way crops also change in like a season type here. How season is changing? In the same way crops also changing. In one season if we keep a rice, in next season we keep cotton, in next season we keep something else, etc. In this way how the season is changing, in the same way crops harvesting also changing as a season wise. Who will change all this? Who will manage all these crops here? Yes, a farmer, a agriculture farmer will manage all the crops here. Then their lifestyle and celebrations are linked to the seasons in a year. So yes, this is in a year we are having so many seasons. So the farmers are dependent on the season, and if the crops are grown very highly, they feel very, very happy. They are very excited. But when it goes wrong, they will feel how they will feel happy, na? No, they feel very sad, and sometimes they may also die there. They will suicide. Why? Because the crops all had damage. In the winter season, if rain falls, how it will be? The crops all will be damaged here, isn't it? It's very loss of farmers here. Then the lifestyle of the farmers are depend on the seasonal crops. Then there are many Indian festivals which are in tune with a farmer's lifestyle and the seasonal changes. So there are many Indian festivals which are dependent on the seasonals and the agriculture here. Then there farmers' lifestyle and the seasonal changes. Pongal, the harvest festival, Tamil Nadu is one of them. So here in all the harvest festival, here Pongal is also a very great festival which is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. The festival marks the beginning of the end of winter season. So when the festival is celebrated, the festival marks the beginning of the end of winter season. When the winter season is going to end, that time these days are going to start. The festival is going to start. The festival is going to begin when the winter season is going to end, and corresponds to the time when the sun moves towards Uttarayanam means to the north side. North is in English and in Telugu Uttarayanam in Telugu. So from Dakshinayanam. So when the sun is moving, so it is when winter season is going to end. After winter, what it will come? You know the seasons. Yes. So when sun is going to rotate towards it, when it is going to move towards north to south direction, then the festival is going to begin. So Uttarayanam to Dakshinayanam. So here Pongal is celebrated for 4 days. So Pongal is celebrated for how many days? 4 days. Then according to the Gregorian calendar, Pongal is celebrated from 12th to 15th January. So when the Pongal is celebrating, in which days we are going to celebrate Pongal here? From the date 12th to 15th January. So in the next class we shall see more about the Pongal. Now tell me, have you understood till now what I said? Where the now here are some questions for you. Which is the greatest festival in Tamil Nadu? Pongal. Yes, Pongal. Where Pongal is going to celebrate? In Tamil Nadu. Then where the farmers, how the farmers are dependent on their lifestyle? We are dependent on, like normally we are living our lifestyle, but whereas farmers are completely different from our lifestyle. How? Yes, how the season is going to change, how the harvesting of crops are grown. In that time the lifestyle of the farmers is going to change. Sometimes they are happy and sometimes they are sad. Now when Pongal is going to start? In the ending of the winter season, and the beginning of the festival will start when winter season is totally completed. In the end, last 4-5 days, in that way, when winter season is going to end, that time the Pongal is going to start. And how many days the Pongal is going to celebrate here? How many days Pongal is going to celebrate? For 4 days. And in which month we are going to celebrate this Pongal festival? In the month of January. In the month of January, from date 12th to 15th. From date 12th to 15th. So till now we have heard the lesson. In the next class we shall learn more about the Pongal festival. Okay. Now once you have to read the story and you have to understand. If you know more about the Pongal, just write few lines of that. Okay. We shall discuss remaining part in the next class. Till then,